Boss Martin. Today I'm changing the signal light bulb on a 2010 Ford Focus SEL. Let's get to it. All right, so first step is the trim piece right here. There are 4 Phillips head screwdrivers. So Phillips head screws, So 1, 2, and then 2 more on the side, 3, and then 4. All right, so once the screws are out, just simply lift up, and you should have the little tabs pop out. Also, just right there. There go another one. Put these to the side, little fasteners, and then this should just lift right on up, just like that. All right, so next step is this trim piece right here. There are 2 more Phillips head screwdrivers and then 2 more fasteners. So 1 right there, and then 1 right down here in the center. Unscrew those, pop the fasteners out, and then this will come out pretty easily. All right, so same thing here. Once the screws are out, just pull it and pop the fasteners out just like this, and set it to the side. There we go. And it's the same process on the right and left side. All right, so for the 2 bolts to hold in the actual tail light, 1 and 2 right here, need a 11mm deep socket, and this will do the trick. So 11mm right here. And for the one in this hole, if you have a magnet like this, you can actually get the stud out or get the bolt out a lot easier. So just take it, pull it on out, just like that. Boom. All right, now that all the bolts are off, just simply push one of these studs from the back, and you should be able to pop it on out, just like that. All right, so here is the signal light bulb right here. I'm actually gonna disconnect the connector first. So it's a little tab, so simply push that in. It should slide on out. So yep, slide that on out first. Boom. Next, just push this down, twist it out, so just like this. And pull it on out. Tricky here, and then all I gotta do is just like pop this out. So literally just take it, pull it up. Might be a little hot, so hold on, just like that. There's also this bulb grease right here. All you do is just put a little bit of this onto the actual metal prongs on both sides. That prevents like overheating and burning out issues. So make sure you get this. Is about $1 AutoZone as well. And you just need the smallest amount. Don't coat it too much. Just a small little dab will do on both sides. I slide a new bulb in just like this. And then put it all back together. All right, so confirm that it works and then just put it all back together. So the other side didn't have a bolt, but here's a better example right here. Bolt right here, bolt on the inside. So take care of those. All right, quick 5-minute job and you should be good to go.